2, 3.
Mabuhay! We are Beanie, and you're watching Mix, the beat of our culture.
Like OMG.
So yung Shaggy D po, pinitch sa amin ng management, and when we listen to it, talagang gusto namin siya. So we got it, we want it, we got it. And then sa music video naman, ang talagang nag-ano ng concept is You Me Us. Sila talaga yung, from our past music videos, sila talaga yung gumagawa. And we love the concept naman, so wala kami masyadong change doon. So we kinda went with the flow na rin sa lahat with Shaggy D.
Tsaka ang unique lang nalalagyan natin ng choreography na gagawin natin yung song, yung isang Filipino game.
Saka, first time namin sa choreo-wise, literal na Shaggy. Kasi nung una, medyo nagda-doubt kami, Coach, hindi ba ang tumitignan? Pero yung kasi yung point, Shaggy. Yeah.
Nag-shoot po kami sa isang skating park. Skate park po sa may, saan nga yan?
Valenzuela.
Valenzuela. And sobrang nag-enjoy kami kahit sobrang init, kahit outdoor siya, ng daming dumadaan. Na-enjoy talaga namin. As in, para lang kaming naglalarong mga bata talaga. And parang ang dami rin yung mga dance community. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami with them kasi talagang sayawan, battle, ganon. And yeah.
Yeah, and let's give credit to Ate Maloy's work kasi siya yung gumawa nung artwork.
Yes, thank you po. Actually, yung cover art, parang nag-help talaga ako na sabi ko, gusto ko i-try na gumawa ng cover art for Shaggy D, pero hindi ko ina-expect na yun yung magiging final output or yun yung magiging final cover art ng Shaggy D kasi hindi ko pa na-try yung ganong kind of parang style of art dahil very street and parang anong tawag doon yung graffiti yun, never ko na try yun, sobrang layo niya sa art style ko, so challenge ko talaga yung sarili ko and inisip ko talaga na this is for Beanie and na-try ko rin na mag-cut out, so it was a fun experience for me and I hope nagustuhan din siya ng mga blooms. Yeah.
Well, for Shaggy D, we wanted to go even deeper po, like visually and culturally. And yun nga, parang bago din for Beanie yung ganitong concept na yun nga, yun din kasi inaabangan ng mga tao sa amin kasi coming from Salamin na super pa-cute, cherry on top, diba? Parang first time nila kami makita na ganito kaangas yung song, na talagang parang rap sing siya yung buong song. And ayun, feeling naman namin, na-meet naman namin yung standards na ina-expect ng Bloom sa release namin na to. And can't wait kasi feeling ko hopefully mas ma-appreciate nila yung song pag nakita nila yung music video. Kasi parang, gano'n naman talaga, di ba? Mas gumaganda yung song pag may music video na kasi mas visualize mo yung song eh.
Actually, galing po sa coaches namin yung mga choreo. Pero pinapakita lang nila sa amin. Merong tatlong version yung chorus nung Shaggy D. So, pinapapili kami kung anong gusto namin doon or meron po ba kami mga combination of steps galing doon sa tatlong videos. And then, ayun po, parang kami yung kami yung last say kung bagay ba yung steps sa kanta na to. So,
Actually, mahirap po yung ibang options.
sobrang hirap na ibang options. Yun na, itong choreo po ng Shaggy D ngayon, yun na po yung pinaka
Parang ginawa namin,
danceable.
kumuha kami ng chorus sa ganitong part, or pre-chorus sa ganitong version dun sa video. So, pinagtagpi-tagpi po
Yes.
namin. Para
Madaling magawa rin.
madaling magawa.
Nung pinerform namin yon, we were actually like nervous kasi dun lang kami talaga nakapag-practice like sa tour na mismo. Since everything was very like squeezed in nga kasi we were trying to prepare for the tour, for the new song, and we wanted to perform Shaggy D during the tour kasi nga it's an opportunity to introduce it to international supporters kasi nga Shaggy D is more Filipino but it is mainly in English, but yeah, I think that was also like our point na gusto nga namin mas maintindihan nila, mag-gets yung game or like what Filipinos are like playing this game, ganon.
Naalala ko nung sa Shaggy D sa World Tour. Kasi parang every sound check, dun lang kami nagre-rehearse po. Parang kinakat-cut namin siya first chorus sa ganitong day, ganyan. Hanggang sa makarating kami dun sa na full song na. But we're very happy na na-perform namin siya dun. And sobrang hype nung tao, so nakakadala rin.
Yung reactions nila every dance break po. Parang same lagi, no, every performance natin. Pagpasok ng dance break, whoa! May mga gumaganon.
And yung sumasabay talaga sumasabay yung mga tao pag Shaggy D,
true.
parang rinig na.
Yeah, and nakikita talaga namin yung support sa P-pop community when they do our dances. Feeling ko doon nahirapan sila kasi di nila alam kung sino nga yung susundan. Kasi nga, paiba-iba kami ng start ng steps. Which is the challenge, I guess.
Si Staku. Hindi, parang parang paiba-iba siya every time naglalaro kami. Basta lagi makakabot. Ito, Shaggy D, Shaggy D.
Yan, laging ganyan yung una.
Kasi pinaka, basic.
Ooh, so this photo book of ours it's really gonna be nice kasi we submitted some photos that hasn't been released. So, malay mo, may makikita kayong beanie version from this year or whatever year. But yeah, we're not gonna spill as much, but we want it to be very us and very personal. Yun, authentic. Yes, we hope you guys watch our Shaggy D music video. We hope you guys enjoy it. And we will be releasing more music soon. So, abangan nyo lang. And then, we're gonna have Beanie Cosmetics. We're gonna have more events in the future. So, stay tuned lang.
And make sure to be a member ng Beanie Dog Global website. Thank you po!